This is the Basic Lifter. To install the Basic Lifter, decide what and where you want to lift. Make sure you have enough room to do so, and that whatever you are lifting weighs 100 pounds or less. The Basic Lifter comes with a red mounting bracket, which can be mounted one of two ways, depending on the direction of your studs. It is vital that your bracket and the eyelet be properly secured to your stud to ensure safe operation. See our stud finding video here to help you find your studs. To operate the Basic Lifter, you'll also need to install a power adapter. The power adapter has 6 feet of cord as well as a 3-foot DC cable to power the MyLifter. Take this into account as you choose the location for your lifter. Once you've found a stud and chosen the location for your MyLifter, use the bracket and make marks in the holes where the lag screws will go. Using the included drill bit, drill 2 holes for the bracket and screw in the lag screws using a wrench or ratchet, as the drill could damage the screws and the holes they are in. Mount your MyLifter to the bracket using the included pins. Install the power adapter by removing the universal mount on the back, and using the included paper template, make 2 marks on the drywall where the screws will go. Insert the screws, using a screwdriver as a drill could strip the hole. Your screws should stick out 1/4 of an inch for proper mounting. Mount the power adapter and plug it into the nearest outlet. Then, using the DC cable, connect the power adapter to the MyLifter. With the MyLifter powered up, you're ready to pair it to the MyLifter app. Download the app to your smart device, and with Bluetooth turned on, press the pair button on the MyLifter. The yellow flashing light will turn green, and the name of the MyLifter will appear in the Available Lifters menu. Tap the lifter's name, and it will move to the Newly Paired section. Go back to the MyLifter menu, and tap the name of the MyLifter. This is the remote screen for the MyLifter. You can make the MyLifter cable go up or down, set high points and low points, as well as monitor the load on the MyLifter. Push the down button and the MyLifter will let out some of its cable. Each MyLifter has 23 feet of steel reinforced cable. The eyelet should be installed so that the cable is as straight up and down as possible. An easy way to find the position for your eyelet is to hold the hook and pulley assembly next to the MyLifter and drill your hole just above the far side of the pulley. Use the included drill bit to drill your hole in the proper position. Make sure the eyelet goes into the stud. Screw the eyelet into the ceiling by using a screwdriver as a lever. Temporarily removing the MyLifter will make this easier. Once the eyelet and MyLifter are securely in place, loop the cable through the pulley and connect it to the eyelet using the carabiner. You're now ready to use your Basic Lifter. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like, a comment, and subscribe for more videos like this one. And be sure to visit our website for more products that will make your garage even smarter.